Good evening and welcome to Jim Munder's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 7th to the 19th. The pattern will be transitioning during February 7th to 11th. The pattern will consist of a ridge along the west coast of North America that flattens out, but with a moist westerly flow aloft. A trough is forecast over the eastern Canada, reloading cold Canadian air masses becoming entrained in the southern stream. Expect light to moderate rain and snow in the west that translates eastward and increases in coverage as the system develops along the northern Gulf Coast over the weekend and into the southeast on Sunday. A well-organized system is forecast to move up along the coast and exit the northeast on Monday. A significant system is forecast for the west over the weekend that may linger into next week. Precipitation should spread all along the coastal regions with widespread rain. Temperatures across much of the nation will be below normal except for central and southern Florida. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for February 10th to the 15th, and miles are in agreement with the overall flow with a strong ridge forecast over eastern Siberia. A trough is forecast over Alaska, and the nation is forecast to be dominated by a broad cyclonic flow. Here is on the 7th. And we have here is our broad cyclonic flow. Kind of looks like it's flattened out. This is a GFS. And you can see that the GFS is forecasting a ridge here building into the southeast. But as we go forward, the flow kind of like flattens. And then like we go to the 15th all the way. You see we still have our broad cyclonic flow across much of the nation. That's the GFS. Going to go now to the 14th. That's the GFS. This is a GFS ensembles. And GFS ensemble seems to be keeping much of the nation cold. And this is the Canadian ensembles, and seems to be forecasting a above normal heights across much of the southern tier. We have a ridge here, and a ridge building into parts of the southwest. Now, also, I want to show you this. This is the European ensembles, and that pretty much shows the same thing as we go ahead through the period. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting come on, the maps have to load. Above normal temperatures for this region here, and below normal temperatures here for precipitation. Forecasting above normal precipitation for the northwest and for areas east of the Mississippi River, and we're forecasting below normal precipitation for the southwest. Now we're going to look at the period for February 15th to the 19th. Here we are on the 15th. And this is the GFS. The GFS has above normal heights across the northeast and mid-Atlantic. As you can see, we still have our ridge building here into the southwest. I don't know if you can see that. I have to drag that in a little bit into the southwest, and we have our below normal heights here and above normal heights across this region. And then we go all the way to the 18th. We still have below normal heights across a large portion of the nation with above normal heights building into the southwest. That's the GFS. This is GFS ensembles. This is European ensembles. And like I said before, the European and the Canadian ensembles has above normal heights building into the northeast. We have our ridge taken over here in the west. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and Florida and below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, forecasting little change in temperature anomalies above normal across the northwest and most areas east of the Mississippi River, and below normal precipitation for the southwest. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.